the screenshot and then go in.
Welcome back, guys. It's Kids Coding Playground here. And today we're back for another video of Scratch. So, this is the suggestion for us to make this Pokemon game. It's just called Pokemon Game, and it was by Swati Pandy and Aryan Agarwal. Said, bro, please can you provide a link where I can get Pokemon Sprites? So we did use some Pokemon Sprites, and Swati Pandy had such a good suggestion for us to make a Pokemon game. So we decided to make a Pokemon game today. So this is basically our Pokemon game. I'm gonna demo it, but first, before I demo it, I'm gonna show you the sprites by community. And these are basically the sprites and what they are. So there's like, I don't know all the Pokemon, but I'm pretty sure this is Venusaur. This is like the exploding bomb coconut dude. This is like Blastroid. I forgot his name. I don't know. So there's a bunch of sprites you can choose from. The rat, Raichu. So, and we have this link in the link in the description. You can also download how we made it, and they have like Bat, and they have like Wigglypuff and Jigglypuff. So, and they also have a Lowen. So to get one of these dudes, you have to right click like Psyduck. You can just right click on Psyduck and then save as a GIF. So I'm gonna do that. So save image as. There's also Paris right there. So I'm gonna do this, the GIF, there's the GIF, so you can write whatever that is. I don't know how to spell Psyduck. I think it's spelled like this, if I'm not mistaken. And just like that, you click save, and then you have your new Psyduck. So as you can see, I can upload it into this game. So I'm going to show you how to upload it. I'm not going to use Psyduck because I didn't code it at all yet. So let's go Psyduck right here. So Psyduck, see, look, he got all these cool costumes with him. So you can use any Pokemon you actually want from this link. So this is basically how you get the Pokemon at this link in the description. So you can just take that link and get, like, if you don't want Pikachu, well, Pikachu's the most known. So if you don't want Pikachu, you don't have to use Pikachu. You can use Psyduck. If you don't want Squirtle, you could use Paris. Yeah, that's basically what it is. So I'm gonna demo the game. So so you have a little pointer and it follows your mouse. So so as you can see, there's a bunch. I have 20 Pokeballs. I think that's what they're called. And there's like a bird. I don't know what this is called. I think it's called Pidgeot. I don't know how to pronounce it. Okay. And there's like Charizard here, Squirtle, Pikachu, and the Pidgeot. So they pick a random position around here. You got 20 Pokeballs, and there's Pokemon caught. So you can just do this and then catch one by clicking the up arrow key. It says got it, and if you don't get any, it says missed, and it makes like a sound. So you can catch some of these, and catch Charizard. So some appear faster than others, like Pidgeot. He goes away really quickly, so you have to be on the lookout for Pidgeot. You just catch these people without trying to run out of Pokeballs. So I'm gonna see, we need 15 to win. So if I make, oh my god, I only have exactly enough to win. So I won, you won. And if you lose, I'll just speed up the process for you guys. So I sped up the process a little bit. I have 3 Pokeballs left. Just throw it over here. So obviously I'm not gonna win. And if you run out of it, it says you lost. Simple game, cool. It's really good. It's similar to some of our games that we made earlier. So all of these are in links in the description. The Pokeball, the Bullseye, the banner, everything. The backdrop, the Pokemon, the Pokemon. And let's start a new project. I haven't played Pokemon in a while, so I mean, like, it's still a pretty fun game. So Pokemon game. So the first thing we should do is just name this. So before I start, please like, share, subscribe, and comment if you play Pokemon in the comments below. So yeah, please comment if you play Pokemon. I'm pretty sure some kids still play Pokemon. So let's just keep on going. So first we have to delete the scratch cat. And I do have some things in my backpack because I'm a very bad artist in Scratch. So the Bullseye, because I mean, like, you can download this, links in the description. Or you can draw it yourself. Just a circle, you just erase. You just don't have the middle, and then you have another circle like that, and then you just put the 4 lines. That's basically how you draw it. And we have it in the description, so don't worry. You guys can always download that. So I'm also going to drag the Pokeball in and the banner. So I do have the banner. So, and I have the backdrop. Links in the description. So I have it here. So there we go, the forest. Pokemon Forest. Links in the description too. And that's all I have. So let's get going. So I also have my Pokemon. Drag all my Pokemon inside, so links in the description again. So I have Pidgeot, Pikachu, the most well-known, Squirtle, a really well-known as well. Venusaur is pretty well-known, but we don't have him in this project because we already have Pidgeot, and we just wanted a flying one. Charizard is, I think, 289 costumes, near 300. This might take a while to load. Oh, wow, that was actually really quick for something that has like 300-something costumes. So, let's start coding. So the first thing I'm going to code is the Bullseye. So I'm just going to get to the Bullseye right here. So I'm trying to get this quick, because it's already 7 minutes and 31 seconds. So I'm going to try to get this really quick done. So you can feel free to pause it whenever you need to. So when the green flag is clicked, you'll set size to 100%. You'll go to the front layer, because you always want it to be at the front layer, in front of like everything. And show. So I'm gonna do go to. So I already have coordinates. So go to 6:45. Feel free to pause it. I know I might try to go this in one go. So I'm trying to be slow and quick at the same time. So it'll go forever and go to mouse pointer. So follow your mouse anywhere you go. So next script. So we need to make a variable X and Y. So X and Y. So go X and Y. When the green flag is clicked, it'll go clear all graphic effects, cause yeah. And then it'll go forever. Set X. Because you want it to follow your mouse, so set X to X position, and then set Y to Y position. So Y to Y position. Actually, might need a second part. So I think so. So it'll change color effect by 20 to show you where it is. So we're done with the Bullseye. That was very quick 2 minutes. So now we're gonna work on the Pokeball. We probably can do the Pokeball next, but not all of it. It has a bunch of code. So when the green flag is clicked, so set the Pokeball. We don't have the Pokeball yet. Also make Pokemon caught. And then to 0, so you have no score. And we'll go to the front layer. And set size to 50. And I'll go to the position I have it already at and show. Spin. So I can do this one first. So when the green flag is clicked, go forever and turn 15 degrees. So I have to make it go back one layer because it'll be behind the bullseye. I think it's actually over here. Go backward one layer. And it will... Next we have to work on shoot. So when the up arrow is pressed, it will shoot it. So if then Pokeball, so you need an and. So if the Pokeball is more than 0 and not the Pokemon is caught, equals 0, 15 I meant. So it'll broadcast shoot and wait. And then I'm gonna work on the sounds for shoot, which is high whoosh. Yeah, so I think I already have it. No, I don't. No, it's right here. Yeah, I already have high whoosh, so play that sound. So high whoosh. So we do have high whoosh inside the sprite library. I mean the sound library. So right there. And this means that if you have more Pokeballs then you still have Pokeballs in your hand and you cannot win. You don't win yet, so that means you can still throw them. So that's basically what it means. And I also have a little cool effect. So when I receive shoot, repeat 12 times. Change size. By -2. And then, so when you throw it, it gets smaller and smaller. Next up, the code is really big, so we have to work on that quick. So when I receive shoot, it'll change Pokeball by -1, -1. And they'll glide 0.5 seconds to X and Y. And then you need an if then else after if then else after if then else. So first if then else is touching Pikachu, so I already have Pikachu inside here, so Pikachu. And then we have to do broadcast hit Pikachu. We have to make that broadcast. And then we have to duplicate this again, but no, actually we need to and wait. So we gotta do hit Pokemon. And then we have to work on the else with the set mist. So we gotta make the variable mist. So this is gonna be the confusing part. You put it in here to Y, or else because you either hit it or you miss it. So it's an else mist. Broadcast miss. and wait. So this is so big. This is when it gets really confusing. So broadcast miss. So we have it here. I'm gonna go work on the Pikachu. So next we have to do when I receive hit Pokemon. So any type of Pokemon, then it will start sound coin. So you can get that in the Sprite library right here. Coin. So coin right here. So you can get the start sound coin. And then next we have to do missing sound. It is high a glug. So glug is like a drinking sound, but it sounds more like a defeat sound. See, it sounds like sad. So when I receive miss, it'll start sound glug. And then when I receive hit Pikachu, Pokemon, then it will change Pokemon caught by 1. So we have it right here. Change Pokemon caught by 1. So you get 1 score basically. And it'll set, I was saying, got it, for 0.3 seconds. Also hide, because you're done. And then wait 0.5 seconds. It'll set size to 50. It'll go to the position I already have it at. I think, no I don't. So it'll go to 0, negative 104. It'll show. So this is the position of the beginning. So when I receive miss, so we have it. I'm pretty sure I did that. No, I didn't. When I receive miss, it'll wait 0.5 seconds. If the Pokeball equals 0, then it'll broadcast and wait, lose. So we're almost done with this, just a few more scripts of code. So when I receive hit Pokemon, it will wait 0.5 seconds. And it will, you need if then the Pokemon caught equals 15. Equals 15, then you will broadcast win and wait. Broadcast win and wait. So I'm gonna make that. Win. And wait. And then if then you need an and. If then the Pokeball equals 0, and no, the Pokeball equals 0 and not the Pokemon caught. So I'm gonna move this around first. And then if it's not the Pokemon caught equals 15, then you lose because you didn't catch 15 Pokemon with your balls. So, and then it'll broadcast lose and wait. We already have that, I think. Yeah, sorry guys. And I'm gonna move that here. And the last thing we have to do is finish this script of code, which still has a lot, I think. So I have to set the Pokeball to 20. I forgot to do that. So let's try it. So it says got it. Well, we didn't code the Pikachu yet, so we have to code the Pikachu next. And then we code the Squirtle, the Charizard, and the Pidgeot. So Pikachu is very simple code. When the green flag is clicked, it will go forever and ever. And next costume. And when I receive hit Pikachu, it'll hide. And then when the green flag is clicked, it'll hide. Because it always hides in the beginning. It'll go forever. And wait 4 seconds. And go to the position we want it to go. So we have it. So go to, most of this is going to be the same, except the Pidgeot because it can fly in the air. So go to a pick random of -200 to 200. And the pick random for this one, for Y, is -75 to +35. And it'll show. So I did this to make sure the Pokemon, except Pidgeot, will go over here. Pidgeot will be in the air, so it'll be around here. So that's why I did that. It'll show, and then when I receive hit Pikachu, that's it. So I'm gonna try out Pikachu. I can't seem to find Pikachu. Oh, he's behind Charizard. So I got him. So yeah, so same thing. Let's work on Squirtle and the Pokeball. So we have to do this, duplicate this. So I'm gonna do this and put this in here. So this is the big piece of code. Let's put this over here. We still need it. And move this over here. We actually do not need that because we have another one. And instead of Pikachu, Squirtle. Instead, hit Squirtle. And then hit Pokemon and wait, yeah, that's correct. And then we can undo this. And then we if then else this again. And then I have to do this and put it into the if then else. Instead change this to Charizard. Instead hit Charizard. And then we have to duplicate this again to do Pidgeot. And then instead hit Pidgeot. And then put this finally inside here. So that's a bunch of loops. And this is the overall code. A bunch of if else statements. So let's work on Squirtle, because yeah. Basically the same code as Pikachu, slightly different. So instead of hit Pikachu, you have to make this hit Squirtle, and then you can do any seconds you want by them do 3, and you can put that over here. So it's literally the same thing, and it's the same code for Charizard. No, not the same. You gotta do hit, and you gotta change the times up a little bit. It's slightly different for all 3. So instead of hit Squirtle, hit Charizard, and then this part I'm doing 8 if I'm no 6. 6. 6. And then I'm going to do Pidgeot. But Pidgeot is just a little bit different from the others. Because if you notice, Pidgeot has wings. So it's going to be flying. So if then hit Pidgeot, and then change this, I'm pretty sure it's 2. And then instead it's a same X but different Y, so it'll be different vertical. So the vertical is -20 to +150. Now we have to code the banner, so it'll be somewhere up here. First, I'm just gonna hide the variables for now. We don't need this. It's just Pokeball and Pokemon caught. And then we can work on the banner. So the banner should be very simple. So when I receive, you still need this. So when the green flag is clicked, it'll go to 0, 0, middle, and it will, 0, 60. 0, 0, and then it'll go to the front layer. It will switch costumes to start, and so the start costume is this costume, catch 15 Pokemon to win. You won and you lost. So start costume, switch costume to start, show, we're inches away from finishing, wait 1 second, and it will show again, and it'll hide. So I'm gonna make it hide, and then when I receive win, so when it wins, when I receive win, I'm just gonna minimize and maximize a little bit. So when I receive win, it will switch costume to win. And it will show and stop all. Basically the same code as lose. But you just change this to lose. And then switch costume to lose. So let's test out the game now. So let's try it. So I'm gonna show you the thing to start. So I'm gonna get these Pikachus and Charizards and Pidgeots. See what they're missing. And so I got this dude. So miss. So I have one last set of code. I need 2 sets of code I have to put in the music. So when I receive miss, this on the Pokeball, it will say missed. It will say missed for 0.3 seconds. It'll hide and wait 0.5 seconds. And do basically the same thing. Just put this all this, and put the set size to 50 right back here. So that's the code for this, and we have to code the music. So when the green flag is clicked, it'll go forever. And then I have to go to the sounds. I'm pretty sure I did use Drum Jam, so Drum Jam. Drum Jam. There it is. Drum Jam. So use Drum Jam. So I'm going to use Drum Jam right here. Place down Drum Jam until done. So let's try the game. I got a Pikachu. So I'm gonna miss. So it's missing, and then I'm try losing. So I'm about to lose right here. There we go. We lost. So it says you lose. So the win works. So now we are done. So please like, share, subscribe, and also please like, share, and subscribe my gaming channel, which is Gamer Territory. So please get into that, and please sub. And plus, yeah, that's it. I mean, please give us a thumbs up. So comment in the comment section below if you play Pokemon. So I'm pretty sure some people still play it. So anyways, bye.